Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Position Size Calculator for risk control. When investing in dividend stocks, earning regular income is important, but controlling risk is even more important. This calculator helps you decide how much money to invest in each dividend stock so that one bad investment does not damage your whole portfolio. First, set your risk per stock. This means deciding the maximum percentage of your portfolio you are willing to risk on one stock. For example, if your portfolio value is $250,000 and you choose a 2% risk limit, then the maximum dollar risk for one stock is $5,000. Next, calculate the dollar risk by multiplying your portfolio value by your risk percentage. In this example, $250,000 multiplied by 2% equals $5,000. This is the maximum loss you are allowing for one position if the trade goes wrong. After that, determine your stop-loss percentage. A stop-loss is the percentage drop where you decide to exit the position. For example, if you use a 20% stop-loss, it means you are planning to exit if the stock falls 20% from your buying price. Then, calculate the position size by dividing the dollar risk by the stop-loss percentage. In this example, $5,000 divided by 20% equals $25,000. So, the maximum amount you can invest in this dividend stock is $25,000. Afterwards, use the stock price to calculate how many shares you can buy. If the stock price is $50, then $25,000 divided by $50 equals 500 shares. This means you can buy 500 shares while keeping your risk controlled. Moreover, this calculator can also be used for multiple dividend stocks. For example, different stocks may have different prices and different stop-loss percentages, so each position size should be calculated separately. This helps you diversify your portfolio and avoid putting too much money into one company. In addition, remember that risk control is not only about avoiding losses. It also helps protect your dividend income, reduce emotional decisions, and keep your long-term investment plan stable. Therefore, investors should diversify across sectors and companies, review their portfolio regularly, and adjust position size when stock prices or portfolio value change. Reinvesting dividends can also help grow income over time, but it should be done with proper risk management. Finally, this calculator is for educational purposes only and does not provide financial advice. Always do your own research and consider your personal financial situation before investing. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.